couple more grinds I gotta welds I gotta grind down. Grinds I gotta weld.
Still got a hole right there. That's that piece right there. It's coming along.
Yep, now it's onto the back window area, I guess.
Oh yeah.
That's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
But once I tackle that, I think
Which is the worst side?
the bottom. That's not really a left or right. It's the bottom is the worst part of it. Top's not too bad, but I'm gonna replace all of it.
And that's what that piece over there is for. That one's cleaner.
Yep. It still had work done to it too.
Oh wow, you're right.
You can see the welds. And then there's probably about a 1/4 inch Bondo right here. But that's why I got another piece from the New Yorker I'm gonna patch in.
That one needs it too, doesn't it?
Yeah, eventually.
It's not as bad as both of these.
It's gonna get that way if I don't take care of it, but that's why it sleeps inside. It came out pretty good though.
Yeah, this came out really good. Out fucking standing. There's that bumper.
This is the one that's going on it.
Oh, here's the one.
The other one's got a big dent right here. That one's got a little dent.
Yeah, but the headlights are still in good shape.
Taillights?
Tail lights, I mean.
Yep.
Ooh. Where's the one with the crack in it?
That one's busted. Like
Oh, yeah, there it is right there. Oh, yeah. Yep.
Then I got the balance on that one.
We're going to make it to a floor shifter.
All the parts, console, buckets, everything.
Gotta
I
find
can't
that.
wait to see all that interior together. The black and wood grain is going to be amazing.
Gotta find that shit.
I have it. It's in my basement.
Oh, you got it.
I have everything.
Oh, yeah.
All I don't have is a brand new headliner or carpet. But that's
You can make your own.
No, that's just something you make a phone call and spend $700 and I bolt at your door within a week.
Right.
I'll buy the vinyl top at that time too.
What color you say you're painting this thing?
GC8 Mood Indigo.
Mood indigo. Purple.
It was Mood Indigo on Plymouth. It was Indigo Poly on a Dodge. Same color. I've never seen a Polara. It's funny, tonight some guy stopped in back here and said he used to build these cars at Chrysler. And I asked him if he ever seen a purple one. And he said, I can't recall a purple one, but I'm not saying no because Dodge and Plymouth did a lot of the same things. And it was an option. I seen it somewhere in one of my books that Indigo Poly was a Dodge color. Actually, it's in this service manual. I'm pretty sure this is where I see it. Paint code C8 Indigo Poly. And it's on D for Polara and Monaco. And this is a Chrysler book.
Huh.
So that tells me at least one was built.
Somewhere.
A lot of people, I mean, I've seen some plumb crazy Polaras. And, you know, the first, when I got this car, that seemed like a good idea. But I'd rather build it right with C-body stuff.
Might as
Then
well,
it'll be
yeah.
it'll be too much of a wannabe if I do it any other way.
Right.
So just make it look like a car that never was. I know one thing that a lot of people aren't going to like is I'm going to delete the side molding. Just because I don't feel like going through the hassle of finding good ones.
You got to go through a lot of grinding with these like,
Little tabs.
yeah, these little
Yeah, just
tabs
grab
right here.
them off real quick.
They're kind of a bitch to do it because I've done them on my van.
Nah, they're not bad. Use a cut-off wheel and cut them off. And then
Well,
smooth it
because
over.
I grind them. I tried grinding them, but they melted off, and then you had to like kind of smooth them out.
Well, yeah. It just sucks because
That's-
there's a body line you got to try and keep with too. It's right there.
Yeah.
But actually, no, it's all. The studs are above the body line, so cut them off and just don't mess up the body line when you're grinding. I mean, it'll take a little work to get straight.
Oh, it's worth it.
This one's got a nice mold, and that side's got a nice mold, and the passenger side's just toast. I might go with the NOS quarter on that side just because there's the option of it, and I'm already this far in. Why not?
Right.
This thing can beat. I know it can be cold, but it's beat and rusty.
It's coming along.
I feel like a whole quarter panel would be great.
It's still straight though.
Yeah, the top half is. It's just the bottom. It just sucks I had to cut a chunk of it out because it was rusty.
Oh yeah. Still got to find that piece.
I messaged Wildcat and got a hold of them. They sent me a picture of one that looked exactly like this, same color, and I was
Really?
like, I don't want to take a chance. They said $450, and then plus I'd have to ship it to Illinois from Oregon, so no.
Nah. It's gonna be expensive.
No, I'd rather just make a sheet metal one and make it work, look nice,
Yeah, it should work.
figure it out. Got the motor and everything.
Yeah.
Everything's ready.
Take a look at the
It's just
motor.
the time to put it all together and the money to get all the little stuff.
Right. This collection of bumpers. 440.
It's out of that 73 New Yorker I cut up. That's 71 only air cleaner.
And we got the air cleaner, yep. And we got the air cleaner too.
The intake down there. That's 70 HP intake. Nothing special, cast iron. HP manifold. That one's unique to a C body. Passenger side is pretty much the same. Stuff here on the ground. I gotta put that one on still. There's a special bolt kit I need to buy.
What's so special about it?
The bolts fit in those.
Ah, okay. It's deeper.
Yep. Someday.
Yeah.
At least I got.
Any
one I
last,
can drive.
any last words?
Mopar, okay.